Ginti means counting. Ginti kamut banyo yaki number. So let us learn on how to count the numbers from 0 till 10 in Hindi. Hangye POE ngatho najrong English Khasi Hindi with pronunciation. That means in the first column, I am going to show to you the numbers in English. Then, second column in Khasi. And in the last column in Hindi, and also ngan sapin iaki ka pronunciation komno pin pule yakini ki dak Hindi. Nakabenta kito ki bamnang ban puli dak Hindi pikla ban pe yak pronunciation kabangan sai hakani ka last column hakani ka video. Ito ngini sedang menta now 0 hadu ushpau. 0 not shunya hangni POE in the first column in English is 0, second column in Khasi not, and in the third column or the last column in Hindi is shunya. Ka spelling jong kidak Hindi kadon ha ini box hapo hinre nga syutho e kanik pronunciation harum na benta kito ki bamnang ban puli kidak Hindi. So 0 means not in Khasi and shunya in Hindi. Shunya. Shunya means 0. 1 kamut wait, and in Hindi ek means 1. 2 kamut R, and in Hindi do means 2. 3 means lie, and in Hindi teen means 3. 4 sao, in Hindi char means 4. 5 sun, in Hindi panch means 5. 6 Real, and in Hindi cha means 6. 7 Niew, sat means 7. 8 pra, in Hindi art 8 means 8. Nine. Can die. No. No. No means 9. 10. Sheepo. And in Hindi, 10. 10. 10 means 10. So now that you have learned from 0 to 10 in Hindi, let us read together only in Hindi from 0 till 10. So let us start. शून्य, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. So let's read again one more time. शून्य, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. So now in this slide you can see to the left we have English numbers from 0 to 10, and in the middle Hindi numbers and the counting of these numbers from 0 till 10. That means shunya till 10, and the pronunciation is